DAJA A7 Mini Pro tutorial on the useof the machine. Installation of 455 nanometers laser transmitter. First, remove the laser transmitter. Insertion slide. Twist the side knobs. Connect the power cord. The laser transmitter is installed. Plug in the machine power cord. Long press the on button to turn on the machine. The laser transmitter resets itself. 455 nanometers laser emitter focus tutorial. Rotating side fixed focus block. The best focus is when the focusing block touches the surface of the object. Tighten set screws. Retract the fixed focus block. Focus complete. Cell phone connection operation. The phone should have Bluetooth on. Click connect device. Connect the machine's Bluetooth. Connected is displayed, and the machine can be operated. Text images can be input. Resizing text. Click on Outline. The machine previews the size of, the position of the engraved figure. Finally, the laser power and speed can be adjusted. You can start carving. PC connection operation. First, plug in the computer cable. Click Connect. Connect the machine. Reset the machine. Toolbar on the left. Text or images can be entered. Click on the border to preview. The machine previews the position of the engraved content. Click on Image. You can import images directly. The right side also has a variety of engraving modes to choose from. The software supports importing vector graphics, automatic generation of QR codes and barcodes within the software. Rodney Axis tutorial. Remove the anti-slip pad on the bottom of the machine. Tuck the non-slip pads into the bottom of the booster post. Tighten the booster post. Take out the spinner. Plug in the swivel power cord. The other end is connected to the machine. Placement of the rotary axis on the bottom of the engraving machine. Tutorial on how to operate the spinning axis cell phone. Enter the text or pattern first. Rotate the engraving by 90 degrees. Check rotating shaft. Click Outline. Determine the position and start engraving. Spinning axis PC tutorial. Enter text or image first. Rotate text 90 degrees. Adjust the right size and style it. The engraving method washinge to axis carving. Border preview to determine engraving position. You can start carving.